Hey guys. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating this intense holiday glam. I think it's a very classy look. If you guys attempt it, tag me in your photos, message me your photos, do whatever, but I would love to see your recreations of my look. I thought this look was so much fun to do. I'm gonna probably repeat myself so many times in this video, but anyways, for this video I'm probably not even gonna go into detail with a lot of things. I'm just gonna do my thing and listen to my music. I'm basically gonna be showing you guys my playlist and what type of music I listen to, because I didn't want to talk, honestly. I just wanted to enjoy my time. I wanted to listen to music and makeup. Music and makeup is my therapy. It's the best therapy for me. I think it's so much fun and I completely zone out of the world when I do it. But yeah, so I mean, also another thing I know you guys don't care is that I cut my hair short. I felt like I needed change, and I felt like cutting my hair short was the change I needed. My hair used to be up literally almost to my ass, I think, but either way, I think it was, I don't regret cutting my hair. If you need change, do something to yourself. No, pierce your nose. I also did that. I pierced my nose because I needed change. Cut your hair, dye your hair, whatever. But it was so much fun cutting my hair. I probably should have recorded it, but I had it done at a salon. I should have cut it myself. That would have been fun. I don't even know why I didn't think of that, but either way, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get this video started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by carving my brows, and I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm just gonna, how do I do this? Oh fuck, I don't know. Sick. I want to go right on your disco stick. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start by carving my brow. I'm just gonna brush the little hairs up, and then I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. And on top of that, I'm gonna add the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I got my flesh on the stream with that picture of you. It's so much. Listening to throwbacks, those are my favorite. Lady Gaga especially, because she doesn't make the same type of music anymore. You guys see my little cute Christmas tree in the background? This is what I was trying to get at. I wanted a cute background. I felt like I just didn't want a basic background, so at least I have that at the moment. I mean, it looks cute, like it's kind of blurred out. That was just kind of the effect I was going with. You know what, just ignore me. Fuck. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay. And I'm gonna be going in with, let's see, I'm gonna go in with this red right here. And fuck, every time I do this, I'm such a fucking mess. Holy crap, I can't get my shit together. And I'm gonna be going in with the M441 brush. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with an orange to put on top, and I'm gonna be using the orange from the Morphe 35B palette. Do you guys listen to Suicide Boys? Because if you don't, you should definitely listen to them. Like, their music is so fucking bomb. They're like on some different type of shit, like I don't know, but they're freaking awesome. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette. This palette is so pretty, like every color is so pigmented and I fucking love it. I'm gonna go in with Lemon Drops. This is yellow shade right here. Flower bomb. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try. Wow. I'm feeling like you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this orange right here from the same palette. I'm gonna, what's it called? Splash. I just feel like the orange from the third. Special. See, what a man wants. Something I like to call love. I feel best when I'm Okay, so this brush is from the Wet n Wild set from Walgreens. It was like 15 bucks. There was like 12 brushes in there, I believe. I don't know if it's there anymore, but honestly the brushes work so amazing. You're okay when I'm miles away from you. All I dream about is seeing the face of you. The ride is away, the way it falls. Swear to God, I done maxed out in my motherfucking face. Said I'm a boss bitch, ain't got no time for games. Crossing with caution, we kill it, say no name. Take it to the center, so much. You take. Okay, so I finished this eye and I realized that I didn't record the whole time I was finishing this one, and it's fucking ridiculous, but I finished this eye, which I'm pretty proud of because I didn't think it would come out like this, but I love it so much. But anyways, yeah, so I deepened up the crease with a little bit of red, and now I went in with the black, and the black I went in with was the Sultry palette. It's in the Sultry palette, I mean. I love this palette, and I love Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I hate the fact that they always make neutral palettes. Like, please come out with color. Your formula is so fucking amazing. Please fucking come out with color match, please. Please, like. My Christmas tree was moving. I mean, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills so much. Like, I adore their brand. But the thing is, it's just like, I hate that they never come out with colors. Always simple colors, and I get that's what most people wear. But honestly, I would like to see shit more colorful. Like, that'd be fucking awesome. Tear me up, take my words, last fuck, go to class, kiss my ass, it'll bring you good luck. Breaking up, lighting up, what is it? I'm gonna go in with the Colored Rain palette, and I'm gonna go in with this deeper red. I probably already talked about this red earlier. I don't fucking remember, but I'm gonna go in and deepen.
Fuck. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped that. I was freaking out.
For me to feel that, so why you are making this hard? Ella tiene una foto mía, ella me la puedo imaginar, lo que hace cuando está solita. Okay, so unfortunately, the other eye is my favorite. It just looks more blended, and it pisses me the fuck off that the other eye always has to come out better. It just always works that way, all the time. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade, let's see, Ivory. Y estoy aquí, borracho y loco. Playing with the Magic palette by Juvia's. It's this palette right here. I love Juvia's Place. Their palettes are always so fucking good. But I'm gonna go in with this yellow goldish right here. It's in the shade Nubia. Told you we was gonna be something. I look at us now, cause we bustin'. Dancing by the dozen, Nick. I told you we would rise from nothing. Look at the way that you're looking out. Rich forever, blowing money till I'm seen now. Okay, I'm done. Hold up. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna be adding some glitter, of course. We need some fucking glitter in our lives every single time. If we're gonna do a glam, you need glitter no matter what. Well, for me at least, if you're gonna do fucking glam, fucking do glitter, because I feel like glitter makes everything better. And honestly, for every look from now on, I'm gonna try to add glitter some type of way. I don't know, but I want to do that. And then next, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Creations Gold Mine glitter. This is such a pretty glitter. Like, their glitters stand out so well. They're so fucking pretty. Okay, so the lashes I'm gonna go in with is these Princess lashes. They're from London Allure. It's like a small indie brand. So I'm gonna begin with primer, and I'm gonna be using the Cover FX blurring primer.
Oh, I rap on my bros. We came up from the low. My first year being rich, my last year being broke.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I actually haven't tried this yet. I bought it a while back. I just haven't gotten the chance to try it. But I'm just gonna apply it with my EcoTools Beauty Blender.
We fly like some planes. All we do is elevate to the ceiling, elevate to the ceiling, elevate to the ceiling, elevate.
Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty concealer in Granola. My beauty blender. My favorite song, guys, it's so motivational. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with a setting powder, and I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty in the shade Blondie. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with bronzer or the contour or whatever. I'm gonna go in with Anastasia contour kit, powder contour kit in Tan to Deep. I always use this. This is my favorite, and I'm gonna be using these two colors right here. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna be using this Stalazi Bahamas blush palette.
Take a hit, your ass have been a while since the trip. Now I'm seeing all this shit, brain glowing every day. Baby in the same motion, roll the blunt, I take a hit. Start staring at the smoke as it twists.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. I'm back. Ooh, I'm loving this makeup. Honestly, I think this is my favorite makeup look, because who knew that I could do this, right? Who fucking knew? Because I didn't know. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I definitely had so much fun doing it. I lasted like 7 hours making this fucking video. I don't know. I love doing my makeup because I completely zone out from the world, and I don't even check my phone sometimes just because I'm so concentrated in doing my makeup, and I love that. I don't know. it's just an amazing feeling. But yeah, I had so much fun doing this look, and I hope you guys liked watching this video and listening to my music. I think music is the best therapy, especially when I'm doing my makeup. I feel like it's the best thing in the world, honestly. I love it so much. But yeah, so that's it for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I would love to know what you guys think on this look or what you guys want me to film. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video.